Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to switch your Instagram account to a business account. A business account gives you access to insights, analytics, ads, and more tools to grow your profile. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Tap the three lines at the top right corner. Scroll down and go to Creator Tools and Controls. Again, scroll down and locate this option called Switch Account Type. So right now I have a creator account. From here, tap Switch to Business Account. A confirmation prompt will appear. Tap Switch again. And your Instagram account is now switched to business. And that's how you switch your Instagram account to a business account. Now you can enjoy analytics, insights, and professional tools to grow your presence. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.